Google Fonts can be a great way to spruce up your page, add a little bit more character than just using the default fonts that you see in Dreamweaver. So if you just Google Fonts, or you could go to the website fonts.google.com, you'll see a list of different fonts. You can scroll down through the page. There's a just huge amount of fonts. You could just scroll on and find all different kinds of fonts. Also up at the top, and you could choose a category. So as I've talked about in class, what these different kinds of fonts are. I think most of the time, if you want to have a contemporary looking website, you want it to be a sans serif font. If you maybe want it to be something that looks a little bit older, or it's a historical matter, then you would maybe use a serif font. And then the other ones are really just used for, like, if you want something that's a little bit more like a Halloween website, you might do something like this, that kind of more display type font. Anyway, so look through, and once you've decided that the font that you want, I'm just going to pick this one, then you click on it, and you can choose some styles that would be assigned to that font, such as if it would be italic or bold or its weight. All right, so I'm just going to choose this one here, medium 500 italic, and I'm going to click on where it says select this style, and then I could review more if I wanted to, but I'm just going to, I want this, I'm fine with it, and I'm going to embed. So there are two different things here I need to copy. First, I copy everything here. This is a link that I'm going to put in my code to the Google font. So I go back over to Dreamweaver, and up in the top, within my head tag, before my style, this is not a CSS style, it's a link. It has to be within my head tag, but not in the style tag. So I'm going to put it right here after my title tag. So this is linking. It's saying go to this address, fonts.googleleaps, and look for this font that I'm about to use. Okay, but that's only one step. The next thing I have to do is I have to use that font in my style. So I have to, it's like I have to assign it. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go to Dreamweaver, and I'm going to give that as the attribute for my paragraph. All right, and so now you can see how that takes place. Okay, so that's really all there is to it. Browse. You can also change the text. You could do it here, like if you want to see another text, I'll put in my name, like what that looks like. And that could be the same thing right here in the browsing fonts. You could choose put in your name. You can choose font properties. So they're all different kinds of things you can do here. But the main thing is just to remember that it's a two-step process. First, you copy the link that goes right after the title tag within the head tag, but not in the style tag. And then you copy the font family. I'll choose a different one. You copy that, and that is what you place in your CSS rule for a specific font, such as a heading, a paragraph, or a list. All right, that's all there is to it.